In this procedure, we will be replacing the mill strut on a SureShade Power Bimini. The tools required for this procedure are a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, an electric drill, and a Phillips bit. With the Bimini partially extended, unzip the mill pocket of the Bimini canvas. At the H-bracket, use the Phillips screwdriver to hold the barrel nut in place, and use the electric screwdriver to remove the shoulder bolt from the other side. Now you can remove the middle strut from the H-bracket and connecting strut. Next, install the new middle strut onto the connecting strut and H-bracket. Once in position, insert barrel nut into H-bracket and install shoulder bolt through H-bracket into barrel nut. Zip up the middle pocket of the Bimini canvas. This completes the front strut replacement procedure on a SureShade Power Bimini.